In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default option in the status property in Notion. This simple tweak can help streamline your workflow and make task management more efficient. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the database or page where your status property is set up. Identify the status property you want to adjust. This ensures that new entries automatically have the correct status from the start. Click on the status property, then select Edit Property. Here you can manage all existing status options and make modifications. To add a new status, click the plus sign and enter the name of your new status. Like in progress or awaiting feedback, clear descriptive names help everyone in your workspace understand the purpose of each status. Next, click on the newly created status and select Set as Default. This ensures that every new item added to your page or database will automatically use this status, saving you the hassle of updating entries manually. Don't forget to confirm your choice by clicking Continue when prompted. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default option in your status property, making your Notion workspace more organized and productive. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Notion tutorials. Happy organizing!